We have an interesting question here related to something that happened in the news just last night. Former President Donald Trump was found liable to E. Jean Carroll for defamation and sexual assault, but was not found liable for rape. So here's the question. If Trump repeats to the public that he did not sexually assault E. Jean Carroll, can he be liable for defamation again? So here's the scenario. President Trump, or the jury found that President Trump did sexually assault E. Jean Carroll, and he said falsely that he didn't, which implied that she's lying and had, under defamation law, has a suggesting somebody is a liar, has a tendency to reduce their credibility, their reputation, their goodwill, etc., financially harming that person, especially when it's done in such a public way as we saw here. So the jury already decided that there was sexual assault and Trump defamed Carroll. So if Trump says again that he did not sexually assault her and that she's lying, could he be liable for defamation again? Absolutely. Absolutely. And here's why. He's doing again just what he did before, and he was found liable for doing it before. Now, there would have to be another case, and there would be some different legal arguments. First off, we'd have an argument about whether the prior jury's decision could come in. Trump's lawyers would argue that it's not relevant to whether he defamed her. Carroll's lawyers would argue it is relevant because he knew it was false. He was previously told this. He'd already been reprimanded for this. He already was found liable. That information should not be withheld from a jury. Trump's attorneys would make a number of arguments saying, look, it's not relevant to the new set of facts, and this new jury should have a right to come up with its own conclusions. So that's kind of a new twist in that second lawsuit. There'd also be an argument over how much damages there were. In other words, if Trump already paid $5 million, let's say, in damages to Carroll for the first defamation, did the second defamation really cause much more harm? In other words, the public already had all the news that Carroll won the first case. So to some extent, that bolsters her reputation and undermines Trump's. Second, Trump already paid $5 million for the damage that occurred. Carroll would have to show that there's been additional damage beyond that $5 million that took place. So, to summarize, if Trump repeats that he did not sexually assault E. Jean Carroll to the public, he makes public announcements. Can he be liable for defamation again? Yes, because he is defaming again, assuming that that is how the jury would have a similar finding in a future case. We've covered all the questions we have time for today. Love to have you at a future live session. If you'd like to know about these, and by the way, they're usually not available in full online unless you hop onto them live, then you can watch them. But if you would like to be part of the next one, feel free to register at aaronhall.com/free. You'll get on our free newsletter. It doesn't come out that often, and it's all about delivering important value to you, educational information that will help you avoid problems in your company and improve your life. Go to aaronhall.com/free if you would like to get notified about the next time we are going live. It was wonderful being here with you today. Please feel free to check out this YouTube channel and subscribe if you are interested in other educational information for business owners to bring more success to your company and life. Have a great day.